In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Ableton Live 11 Suite on your Mac M1, M2 and Intel. So I got my download from extraplugins.com. This is a really nice website for all your music solutions. So what they offer lifetime activation and access to download future free updates. Okay, what does that mean? That's mean if there's a new latest update from Ableton, you're gonna get it in your email for free from extraplugins.com. That's right. So they offer the full version, instant download, and they have the 24/7 live chat support as well. In case you're having some issue, you can get in touch with them and they're gonna help you right away. So this is the latest version at this moment. You can choose to buy for Mac or Windows. That's up to you, and you can actually read their reviews as well. It's pretty good. So this website is really good for me. So after you got your download from extraplugins.com, you're gonna get these files. So first thing first, you need to open the Ableton 11 Suite DMG, and now you have to drag and drop the Ableton into application for the installation, just like that. Alright, once the installation is done, we need to activate the Ableton. For that, we are going to run our license file. Hit on open. This is gonna verify the Ableton Live 11 Suite. Hit on open. There we go. As you can see, you have successfully authorized the Ableton the Live. Alright, that's mean the Ableton is now full version, lifetime activated and unlocked. You can export your audio, or you can do whatever you want. So pretty simple. That's it. Get your Ableton Live 11 Suite right now from extraplugins.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.